the rain of fire right now. I can't move.
I rain off her. I just rain, I just.
It no matter, you know how I stay. I'm easy to get sick. But anyways, you probably wonder why we done here.
Yeah, how are you coming from?
I go through something right now.
How are you
Tell
going
the
through?
truth. Being father finally become a person he actually is. You understand?
Yeah, that's very true.
Mem
Now what?
Remember say me breed young, you know, with her. From me a teenager, me breed with her and something. So,
really
like
care.
him and no one spend no more money on him or something.
Okay.
So, what me I do is, me I beg you, if you can put me up until time get nice again for me.
You know how I look at one room board house?
So we are going so fast, your sister, where you want, your sister, your niece, depending on what I suffer. Or that you rather. Remember say things will happen for me again, you know. Me have to bust again, you know. So me don't know what you talk about. Things have to bust up to me again, because you know me have a lot like that.
You're not a boss. You will never boss. Never.
Yeah.
You're not a boss, you know. You're going to forever suffer.
So what kind of thought that me and your sister here just bring me down there with anyways? Me not
I'm not
you
business.
can't say
Me bad
anything.
mind you. I'm not afraid to chat it. Me brawling with it.
You can't bad mind me not nothing.
Everything you want, that is you get. Me not really want you, me not put up here, you know, but me not really want you in that area, yeah, if you black my shoe. Me not really want you to do that.
So me a black your show, if everything me did want, me get it, she would have still there with her father, and everything would have alright, and everything would have okay, and me still get me little money and then something there. Nothing now go on for me, and me I look for your help, and this you have to say to me.
Listen to me now, carefully, Ali. You said that me and you are par, me miss all the opportunity what me forget. You said me when I par, me get all the opportunity.
So what I say? Me not really care.
Me I say me I put up here, you know, but you can't stand too long.
Me not plan to stand for long, because you know things so up for me again.
Make sure because you know black and my opportunity them.
So me can come.
You can come and stay.
Thank God.
Remember
Me
say
did
I
already
want
have
board
the clothes
house.
and
It's a
remember.
board house.
Me did pack already if you come, so just come in over.
You pack your clothes, now.
This,
Hey! Sophia, clothes, now.
there in there.
So what do you dumb?
Let me pick me alone.
You pick the ring.
That bring down bad things for me. My daughter is a very nice daughter.
We're asking up for your face off of me and me bigger than her.
Come
She must
on,
have a ring off for years.
Come on. You know what me can't go and
She can't tell my yard for too long now, you know, because she don't have manners.
How your place look so?
On! Me tell her beginning to your board house. I come to how my place looks so.
Yes, I'm going to she like how I'm getting on you for I'm getting so nasty. Me do up on
Hello.
for them place.
I drop the leaf, them drop off at the chief of the
So
door.
what this a big garbage bag in there? You can't take care of place. Life not so hard for you. Sure, me not think watch as me come mosquito, but me not used to them so
Yeah, fun. Woo!
And tapping
Me not fan, you know what?
Tapping nice.
No.
Nobody with it.
But
Nobody
I
with
tell
it.
you if you pack up your bag and go on, but you don't come with no bag.
No, I do what we are making. Listen now. I do
No
what.
righty.
Alright, I want question. Apologize to your auntie. Tell him sorry and stop. What me say if you do?
You?
Alright,
I
I'm
want
sorry.
hold you.
I'm sorry.
Just relax now. Relax. I check
Leave
on
they
you.
go drop off.
We are come from a higher place, that's why.
And people for somebody something like that. And rubbish in it.
Me no, sorry, me criticize her, please. Sorry.
You out of body and have no face if you come criticize my PS.
Sorry.
Okay, so me can go in.
Sorry.
Little girl.
Me no grow you so stop it.
Your rank and no manners at all. I don't know where your
Make
mother
it
get
when
it
you
from.
go in now, you know used to this mud.
Listen
mud
to
and
me.
them look
Which
up
mud
something
mud?
there, you know.
So who bring her here so?
I'll make my
Go on in there. Go on in. Go inside. Go on in.
At your house. At your
Your
place.
house.
At my place and I say what?
My name make you change your mind. Your pardon kick me out already. What more you want?
Exactly. Listen to me. You can go in but you have to have manners. If you don't have manners,
Alright,
we punch your head.
Go on in. Go on
You
in.
put the rank and have manners, girl.
Me pitney have manners.
You could teach her better.
You don't make you go on, so we not do nothing. When me ever did here in a life, every money you ask me for you get it. Everything me treat you so good. There's nothing you short when you're down here. I know me need your help. You turn your back for me like this. You go on tighty.
But I be tighty. You said I made a par? Me was a miss the opportunity, man. Three burn me so. Me no like you.
Because you ever they push up yourself, make people come to you. You
never go to people.
I'm not in an argument with your killer. I swear. Because I ain't no live so I don't know where you're going. When you beg me my money, you're going so. Me need your help. And your help me come for.
Listen to me. Me remember say say ka you. See me I go miss the opportunity to go on the road to make money. And say ka you and your classes daughter. Me never remember come always have walk back up the sun now.
Go on, Kayla, just go on. Me sorry. Me sorry say it there. Me sorry there mum burnt me. Cause like a you alone you if you have.
Me alone, come and get everything. What shit you want to go up in the house with the slippers? Jesus Christ! God. Hello, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning. What's your name?
You know, say that's my name though. What's up?
Not now time I see you walk and I see you, you look so good.
Thank you.
So who your father?
My father. You know, a man named Barry. Own the class of them.
Your father that?
Barry's Plaza. There's actually about my father. So.
I just want to get to know you come from here.
Yeah, I kind of fall from the area now, but I don't really come out. But I might play for someone.
Oh, you know something like you?
Alright, me. I make a like me. Where's the family, alright?
Everything about it.
Oh, yeah, okay. I don't believe you. Everything right
Achoo.
about
You give me an energy. I'm like the energy you have. Give me.
Yeah, you got energy.
Yeah, I'm like it.
Alright. No disrespect. You know, so now I like your approach, but you know, so you're not really my type though. I really am told you. No disrespect to you, know at all.
So what are your type?
Not you.
Hey!
I don't know again say no, but you're just not my type. Because you look a little bit too young. I'm kind of afraid of prison really, you know.
You're not going to prison, I'm not that young.
You don't know that. It's the police all on my friend one day. The woman is 17. And then say, I'm too young.
So let me have something.
I don't know how much you look like. You look
So
like
you
you're
how
12.
much?
Me? Don't worry about me how much, but I'm old enough to go to jail. I'm afraid of that.
Me young enough for you not go to jail.
You're young enough to not go to
No,
jail.
I'm old enough for you not go
You
to
see,
jail.
you're confused yourself and you could be confused the police them and then. No, I'm just afraid of it. I don't disrespect you. Alright.
No, I'm not alright because I want you and then you tell me say I'm not the type and I look too young.
Alright, thanks. So I'm different. You just remember me, bro.
You know what?
What's your name, bro?
My name is Kayla.
Alright, now to meet you, Kayla.
I must like this. This I must prank. I must prank a girl and so I not see good. Why you do it look so like a picnic?
Because me just don't sleep out your house or something.
See, see, but it's in front of us. Put,
Me did
oh,
hungry.
that's all.
Me did hungry, so I'm going to hack up my food.
Friday, you better come in and tap name on the place. I catch no come back on catch.
Me know. But I'm hungry.
Give me this. Give me this man. Give me this man. Yawa. Come get the back and clean up the door over here.
My problem, I'm dealing with the boy.
Pick up. Get the back type the door over here, man. Clean up here. You sick and tired of here. You just nasty.
Me don't know, I'm making a bit of
Clean up the door over here. I'm here. Come here. Hey. Break me up.
Yeah.
At my girl, wake up because it's a sex dance. I lick you over in this now.
Come here.
John with the black and stuff spot and business. So I see you here, girl. You better teach her good.
Girl, yeah, never read before.
Hello. You don't address me as no girl. I am your auntie. Auntie Kayla. Auntie Ego for you, no girl. Me on the side.
Kayla, go.
Listen, when you say to yourself.
Don't take off my head.
So, me not laughing at the picnic.
Me not laugh.
Me and you are done. Side.
You look at me and read it.
Stop me up on the slip. I hear that picnic and my way. I'm like,
This is the bad.
who the fuck I do over here?
What happened to you?
What's wrong with you?
What happened? After me, mama never house, never clean it, and and remember say me come here, me a clean person. So me there clean up your side, so me feel hungry, me go
And
out
out of my house to take a leg, jab shot,
Me
me
go out
go
a little food.
I want just because we ask a feeling to
Yo, come on me yard, come catch my girl. And you pick me no one, do nothing, be a nyap, no one, nyam.
No, what you there for? Where you there for? Where you there for? Me nah make you slave him out. No. You know,
And you make a pity now, no manners, correct up here.
She have manners.
She don't have no manners.
Me don't disrespect you. Me don't
She
disrespect you.
never disrespect you.
Every time me tell me to clean up your house, me clean up
Then
your
look at
house.
how spotless. When you come here, be a garbage. When you come here, yard never look good. When you come here, place look like a dump. And she
Like
come
a
here,
dump.
me grow her good to clean, take care of everywhere. So that you come and come. But can't tell me that no.
Because I was
Because
angry, you see you.
I argue with that auntie, her manners.
Yes,
Back
yeah,
to me
I'm
now.
Back to.
Your daughter, and you make a
crazy.
dancer.
You're crazy. Just because me ask if you little help. I say you that's why.
This is a big deal.
No, and I mean say if you can't slave up me to the go on in.
Fuck one
You know,
here.
no.
Yeah, get little
No. No.
Step in on the manners.
He must take care of your
Step
place.
in, step in
Like
on the manners.
things ever seen
That's
that?
all the people on the manners.
She have manners. I know that. Call lick him. Call lick him.
One in.
Call lick him.
Yeah, back your picnic.
Call lick
You
him.
gonna shame your
Call
road.
lick him.
One in.
You realize my skin
One
clean?
in. One in.
You realize my skin
One
clean?
in. One in.
You realize
No.
my skin
Beat
clean?
me in a yard.
I find a long time I tell
Move
you
and
something
break up
like
the
your
door
ways. Right, you do it.
Move, man. Come and break up. Move in front of the doorway, my girl.
Just because.
Move now.
Just
Move.
because. Just because.
Jesus Christ, you just
Wait,
can't
you
take on.
have to go back up in my life. Yeah, you're going to regret this.
I come to come out of my place, I go find son. Nobody tell us to make a baby daddy put you out.
You're a dirty, wicked person.
Me no business.
After everything me give you.
Yeah, brother, you ain't work this that I come on the place going on. What's so tell the full God? Little girl, you shall make it touch me.
Good evening.
Hold on. How are you in a rush or something?
No, I go down. I go home.
Oh, sorry to keep up the time, but I first me say in the ear, you know see in them place. How you come from?
I don't really, I don't hear some base. I never hear some live.
You move around.
I know that I case because I did have one baby father and I did live with.
Yeah.
And every day he have to say, me have man and me not do nothing. Me a total liar woman like that.
Liar.
Yeah, me liar to him.
You don't want to look a man from inside?
None at all.
None.
Me never I see nobody else but him. And he kicked me out with me and my daughter. So my one sister will live about the area when named Kayla. So I put me up for time being, but all that I go on away and out too.
No, me not tell no lie. You see every woman in this arena, none of them no loyal. If they don't have 3 to 4 man, they don't feel good and they can't sleep at night time. What do you mean looking at all them phone? You just give me a phone. You see, when you digital, I said, hello baby. When me check it out, I know you digital number when I'm on my phone.
Well, me not one of them. Me I tell him I did lie 3 months till me fool, till me stupid. If he tell me if he left and walk, no, me get up left and walk, tell my boss that me sick just to reach home to him.
No.
And he keep me out with my daughter. Right now, my sister, all my sister want it. Sure.
No, I saw
I'm
you
not
go
going
some
on that
time.
right now.
Or I saw you go some time, I asked about your tribulations. But when you say loyal, like for real, because you know how long me I look for loyalty and you can't find. Come like you the everywhere except this alone. That's tough.
So what liar you from here now? Me liar, me sure that.
The last girl me give the last girl me give me bun for my birthday.
For your birthday?
Let me tell you, I ain't for my birthday, I left me for my birthday night.
Mm-mm.
Bury that man. Now when my birthday done, him come back and say sorry, but he don't see prayer, because I can't smart than that. So find that, like me I look for love and I just can't find it.
Yeah.
Would I glad to get to know you still?
Well, I must on friend basis because right now, I even see myself with a man. I don't really want nobody.
Alright, if I find anything that you know, me alright with that. So me can get your number, or you can text me.
Alright, me take yours. If I not, me text you.
Alright. 3826111. Sure, see you guys.
26111.
Yeah, that's all. Me never get your name by the way.
Oh, my name is Alian.
My name is Daddy.
Okay. Nice knowing you, Daddy.
Nice meeting
I
you.
know me I go down because I know for my sister for some conflicts with me that way.
Alright, put one heart side of me, yeah.
If
Alright,
you make it to that.
alright. So this a girl and nice. You can't believe that this a girl nice. If you can't text me now, yeah.
Okay.
You me send to me go this a message.
Oh, God. Yeah.
Yeah?
Go, go.
Never expect you so early.
So why you think me I come? Me just have to come out here because I can't take problem, man. I say, one bag of things up in my yard. I remember me being here tell me say me can't link you with any problem at all me have.
Yes.
So me live every one here. Me have my sister, right?
Uh-huh.
And my sister, but me not like her none for me can't
See, I want to
stand
tell
her.
you to go meet.
Yes, me not like her.
Why?
Because she block my traffic. If me want nobody, she ever they block it. If me go up on the road and to make her money, it's because she did it, me I make the money. But if she not did it, me make the money. So me not like her. Even though that her baby father, they said man I made it want. And she go get the money man there with she, right?
Uh-huh.
Take her dash her out.
So what on there now? Let me ask you a question now.
Ask a question.
So the man that breed her,
Yes.
you only want her, you did do much in time there.
We look for 14 years.
14-year-old and they want big man.
After me want a little boy and have money. What's the idiot?
You know what you have to say to yourself? Let me teach you something in life.
He ain't all that big.
You can't grudge your sister.
Me not go jar all that. Me still love her. Cause me put her up on her daughter, you know. And her daughter have no manners. For the daughter come, me feed the daughter. Back to back. Make sure they eat.
That's good.
Right? The daughter so out to do they eat food and they do they want rake up. I don't want rake up, but me take the rake to the little girl. And I school her, she give me attitude. Her mother come and back her.
Alright, here I know. The mother wrong if your mother come on the back her. But you must not, to you help them, you work them. Share it equally.
No. I must do this thing go. She come on me yard.
Uh-huh.
She must clean up the place. Me tell her to rake up the yard. She must rake up the yard. She must learn how to clean place. She a young girl. She must know to do things. This man got lick in her head. You see her mother not know it? Her mother not know it. She want to come like her mother. Me a teach her to come better than her mother.
So your niece on the road, right? A big man money. And the man breed her like her mother.
No, that's why I say me a put her up and me a teach her how to wash, cook and clean. I have sense.
That can't teach nobody if you have to wash, cook and clean. You better say you really want help her out. That
Me
she
never
come to
really
some-
want to help them.
Why?
I try my sister when me put her up. My business, me never really want to help nobody.
So for house.
And mine,
Oh, sorry.
I could have
You see a picture of me eye.
and that me should have do. Out of that my place, and me put her up. You know what?
Alright, you may say, Karma is a bitch.
What come is a bitch with?
You see, anything you do unto others, it will happen to you.
What happened to me? I never do nothing to her. And she do things to me.
You ever sit down and think, say you have a good sister.
Good sister, we are good sister, not take people things.
If you baby father put him on, the first blessing thing will come, and you. That's when you say, your sister love you.
Actually, never know where else to go. You say, should you have somewhere else to go, should come here. Don't tell me that. And
So if you in the same position, your sister put you up.
I don't know, I know. I don't know how it go. I don't know. I never experienced that before, because I have sense.
You see, when I want to see your sister, or you look, cause...
She knew, you can see her anywhere we know her. She kind of black and she kind of chubby. She have a little weight and she have big breasts and a little bit of battery on her back.
I will live a people chubby.
You will see this a chubby one because she know in Ireland, so you have to see her.
Jesus. Yeah, alright, yeah. As me tell you, you can check me with any problem you have, but
So,
that is not a problem.
How then? It a bother me a problem.
No,
It's a problem.
a family issue that.
Well, family issues are still one problem.
We can't counsel it to one, bro. That's all
Oh,
we
yeah,
can
I'll it 2 away. Come on, they know which part she did. So me bring her up a son and then you start chat to me and start calling so she more than or you used to come to me. Oh, that work. Oh, that work.
Then, I'm my job, nothing wrong. So, you have to just understand life. Anyway, check me back later, come here with a foreign call.
You must know your foreign call.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hey yo.
Wow.
There good.
Yeah, I'm a good man. What are you going with you? How are you?
Then I mean I can't go back, you know.
So where you come from?
Come for my friend them.
Oh.
Tell them my little problems them or something.
You have problems when you're so young.
Me have problems.
What kind of problems? 1 plus 1. How long divide? What kind
No,
of
it's
problems?
not a problem them. Family problem, family issues.
Oh, that sounds serious one.
Mhm.
Sorry for the joke.
But anyways, you say what them the one is such is about. I told me never really me the one such about my friend to take it with you me didn't want, but you know what I mean.
I know some me don't want you, but remember see you're young, you know. Can't, but me explain to you so me can't.
You are how much?
You're old enough to go to prison. That's all I need to
Sure.
know. I'm
I
afraid
want
of,
to chat that.
I'm afraid of prison for true, man.
You're afraid I know prison.
No, like-
That's not the case.
Look how when cartel come out and say youths don't go to prison. A cartel me listen to you know. You feel a pastor. A cartel me listen to.
No, that's not the case. The case is that you don't want me. But it's just let me have a little soft soap say about the age and this and that.
No.
Age does not matter.
It matter.
Oh, if it matter how you go to prison, me not go to school in my old school, me own a place.
You have your own place.
Yeah.
You have your own place.
Me have my own place, you take me for idiots.
No, but oh, you're so young and have place.
Let me go, me so young.
Say how much?
You're 19.
You're 19.
Mhm.
Fred, what do you tell me say you're 16 or 15?
Hello, what they never tell me yes, so the country I can't twist up my tongue. Me never hold a conversation there.
You ain't tell me your age. are
No,
you?
you,
You're sure?
yes, you never tell me yours, so me never tell you mine. And I still don't know your age.
I feel like all of you are telling
Me not tell no lie.
Alright, tell her. Me give you my number. I feel like all of you are telling you, but me give you a chance.
You're not going to take me for no idiot.
Oh, sweetheart, I would never do that. You don't take people for that.
Okay. But more come got me hard things.
Go on now.
So you go.
Yeah, some of them chilling and wait for one of my boy.
Why you ever the power roadside?
I beach me and some boys to go and, you know, I'm just waiting for
So you not have a house?
Yeah, but more want to go to the beach.
But you ever have a house, you ever the power roadside turn up somewhere?
But I mean, if you tell her that you ever left on the roadside, I walk.
I want me what got my yard, they can't face with me, boy. Me have a house.
I'm trying to face with them. I just tell us I'm there wait for somebody.
But are you my want still?
Me,
And from me say you, me want you, me want.
we talk to you. But me,
Talk to me about what is out you go tell me, see you go want me back or not. That
no,
is
no
the
get
case.
your hopes up. Me and you can't talk, but I get your hopes up. Because me still feel like you're young. And just like, go around me and you style. True, you want me.
Me not tell girl on you. If me want you, want me want you can't tell me nothing. If me say you, me want you, me want. Me don't want to say with nobody.
Alright, tell her. Just give me your number. Can you have phone?
You must have phone it for idiot.
Yeah, your face to feel the age, you know.
Look at this.
Just keep your face. Kayla, not sure?
Yes.
Alright. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bright. Little girl. Oh, this is something out of the yard.
Nobody.
So where you come out?
Because me there go buy one drink, because me thirsty.
Listen to me. No shop me there up here, so be a bush. See the shop them done there, so you don't want no just to drink sugar and water.
Alright, me I go over, go make
Go on done. Go on done. No, who said out of the yard? I look up in here bright, man. We go out of the yard, sir.
Kayla, me I go on the road.
Oi. Come back here.
What? What no? Why problem?
You don't feel like, you know, say me know where that I get in nastiness from. As daylight, you bathe and put on clothes and you go pan the road. You don't feel like you want to do something in your yard?
Better out of that. If I will come here, we wanna clean it.
Clean where? My girl tell her ex-daughter said, stop it.
You not in the back road. I am
Wait.
going to talk about.
No.
Leave me alone.
Hello. Me a chat to you, you know. Not make it bigger than me, they chat to you. You don't feel like see, I get too big since you come here. I be eat.
You know, say sometimes God, you know, say Father God hold me sometimes, you know. Box you down, Kayla.
Box me down, Aliyah.
God see I know no.
Box
Cause
down.
you know say I'm younger sister and I'm shell down no girl. Leave
No.
me alone. From me come
No.
out and me beg a little help you keep
It's
on and
alright.
take set for me.
You can't walk come now, man. You walk come beat me. You bright?
Oh. Just make sure say no come
So
and
come here.
come slave out me pitney and see me. Me soon come back. Me can't
Where you
believe
go?
you.
You don't tell you
Me soon come back. Me be one
Got
woman.
the piss pot where that a piss in a girl.
Okay,
Come
now.
and take it out. Me not take it. Me not back on no. It's a piss that me. I do come piece. Go take out the piss pot. The piss pot away upon you. Your daughter don't want to know. You don't want to know. You say me walk out the data. Me not walk out the data. Clean you up. Me not walk on
Big
no
old
no.
lazy girl, everything.
Take out the piss
Me
pot.
never did
Me
in my
say.
life.
Me try my best to come out here and say, take up your one in here, what it
I'm not paying how much.
Watch her, she gone. She gone. Oh, you want to maga one here? Hello, girl. Oi, come here. Come here. Your mother not teacher good. You think you want to go to Chimmy now?
I'm not pissing on Chibi.
So who piss in there?
You,
I'm the piss that Chimmy, I'm not use Chimmy.
yeah, you Chimmy.
Me just piss at the Chimmy. Are you pissing at Chimmy?
I'm not pissing
If I am pissing him, I am
I
not
want
pissing
me
there.
piss when I go on my bed. I want my piss. I not get up
Take
and
out
piss.
him. Me go want to come out. Before me go pan the, me go pan the.
Me not take out no big man people. Me do everything else to yourself to do. Me
Move
not
a
take
foot.
out
Move
your
a foot.
piece.
I don't take pan my clothes then.
I do your clothes at your head cap.
But I still might not take panny. You're nasty like your mother.
Me don't not say you nasty because of you pissing at the
My
top
girl.
and tell people to take it out.
Little girl, me know when me piss now, so probably me no piss in
Oh,
there.
last night
And
too
me say
much
me no
time.
piss in
Last
there.
night too much time. Me
I
see
said, "Yes,
you
it's a
get
girl,
up, come
don't
there,
write your
piss,
song."
piss every minute.
Jeez.
I when me dey on my phone.
Girl, me no piss often. Cause me not rub up my body for the piss often.
You piss. Are you
One
pissing there?
time piss before me go to bed.
Are you pissing
And you
there?
two people argue with me. I ain't argue with me.
Because you accuse me for me pissing there.
So are your mother. So are your mother pissing, so take it out, come in and pissing at you and want it to come on.
You have to go call my mother to take out that car. Me not take out that. Me not take up no
You not take
big
out the
woman
chimney?
steel piece.
Still piss. Are your mother you can't still piss?
Yes. Anyone I know a piss in there no piss steel.
Me have the pain on my little girl.
Me not say you know my
Me
tell
not
you well
beat
I
me
know
to
say
my
you
fire.
piss in there too.
Me not pissing at
You
you.
piss in there.
So little girl,
You must have a cap. Me cap off of me. Then say me head mad.
come out of me ears now. So get a bride, come and argue with me. How she think she be? It's a little beating you, man. Man, he crosses me, come back and come stress me out.
Good evening.
Come here, man. Come here. We are run, so what make you so upset?
No. I'm just a walking place right now. I can't bother. My sister every day in the on my skin. Every day. And me treat that girl so good when me did up. You understand? And every day in the on my case. He chat about me, pitney. In this, that, he cost me for nothing at all.
What you
Just because me can I have with you. But God not sleeping and so make me up again.
Oh man, I can't know good sister that.
You say every day me just a come out of the house. Me step out and we clean the place now.
Yeah.
And we take care of everything over there now. And me just a step out of the yard for your feet. We say me can at least go back on my feet.
Yeah.
This girl the back on me, go the piss pot. Go this, go that. I like him want to disgrace me.
Auntie, me no know how you feel now. Me not tell us I know how you feel, but me can't tell you this. You see, anytime in life when you're down and dip on your face, then the time you see who real to you. And right now, like how you struggle. You know, so you don't know what to go. And you know nothing can do better, but at any time you hear man coach just walk out.
Me try my best. Me try my best.
Let me tell her a story to you. So when me I look up at me, my people they never treat me good enough. I forgot school, because I'm a bright boy now, but you see, anytime I get 199 and I get 100, 10 days I can't touch my game or phone for. And he just beat me, just because of 1%. You know. I mean, I feel good, but come here and say that fit never get be a 70 and 75.
One minute, no, you not half understand. Me did that for my sister when she not nothing, brother. Me say when me dey up at my yard in the all the time. Me feed him, me clothe him, anything he asks and me gear it. And that's why she come and
Hello.
treat me just because
Hello, sir.
me have to turn around. Dep on my face.
Me tell her, man, when you're deaf on your face, you see real to you.
It's like
But
this.
don't worry about
Don't
it.
say nothing. She good.
What you need to do is just get some money and I want just eventually just rent out one room before even that.
Where we get money from?
Yeah, you can't do nothing.
What me dedicate my life to the man. Me dedicate my life to the point where me split account with him and he take every dollar out of the account.
Tell her.
Everything, me not dollar in my name. If me got dollar in my name, me not got my sister yard.
Tell her. Alright. Me have a leak down a bank. A bank teller owe me one favor. Same boy, I dog go in charge of loans to do it. I call him that favor. I want a big favor, you know. Because since you say nothing to use as collateral. That I think we use and take out the loan. But because of that, you call in my favor and use my collateral and take out a loan for you. You try to help you back up. Because I don't like, I promise. You know, I like see people are struggling. And you just look like you look like a nice somebody and I don't want to see you struggle. So all of this I look for.
So Alice, a man here, your company one too. How are you? Let's pitch him in at the house.
Yeah, there. I see my sister.
Are you and sister?
Sir, I'm your sister. I beg you, excuse me there.
Alright, you don't really want to jump in on.
Me not think you have to leave, you know.
You know what?
Don't leave.
You don't want to even leave?
No, because I'm
Okay.
dealing with that disgrace and dealing
Oh, what
with that.
disgrace,
We
yo?
not doing no
Call
nothing.
your daughter say you business to me and not she.
Yo, you know, me not like this.
Me call you.
No, hold on, no, keep on business over on the yard. No share me each other on the road.
Me
Look,
call you.
and me don't know.
I beg you don't chat to me. I don't want you to chat to me. Go on up. I don't want you to talk to me. I don't chat to me. You move.
Just take care of yourself, here.
Yeah. What you want, Kayla?
You're not in the yard. Me lick her, but she run out.
You do what to me, Pitney?
My girl, me don't chat to you, you know. Because I'm
Where
going to
you
say,
come here, Papa?
all
Where you
you
come here,
do
Papa?
is black me trap.
How me a block your traffic now, Kayla? Me leave out your way just in a block your traffic and you still find me.
How me find you? I want Panny Roy look for your little Jezebel picnic and me touch her and she come out here and I don't know spot she there.
So, why you lick me, Pitney? Why me a block your traffic with Kayla? Me tell you first I talk to you, gentleman, and you come and pass
Gentleman?
with me. Yes.
Yeah, a gentleman.
Yes.
A gentleman.
Yes.
Oh, so, like you find man now, like you can just go to my place and go out with the man. But I appreciate that. Cause you can't go on with him, you know, cause him thinks he's single. You can't go on with him,
Yes,
yeah.
but we're not depending on the terms that we not talk like that.
I beg you do, chat like that.
Say what?
Chat like that.
What wrong with you, Kayla? What me do to you?
Everybody me want your tech. And to tell me not no competition with you over no man or any boy.
Say boy right there, so you want him?
Man, I want him again. You can keep him.
Kayla, untap me, Pitney.
When I stop what a business that says, when I make that coming like you. You is a ding dang, man ding dang. You just come out of one relationship, you want to jump in a one boy we meet Nelly, you don't know him a
Me and the boy are not in a no
so we
talk
talk about
like
chat to
that.
him about when
But we can't talk to people,
No.
Kayla. Me not
No,
going.
no, your company road, me should have saying can't get a job. You need a job to build a house to come out of my little Brooklyn place where you're in a.
I true you don't know what me and the man are discussing.
I don't
Make you have a problem.
I don't care.
Kayla, you get on my last nerves, you know.
Like I your last nerves. Don't make your nerves them don't like
I
last
know
nerves.
me have a temptation like mommy, you know. Me lick you down, you know, girl.
I know say maybe temptation like that, you know, me bust off your face, you know. Me tell you that brawling, you know.
Kayla, leave
You're
me
not
alone.
come back up
Me
you with
left
me.
you out of yard for you. Leave me alone. You come as a come
Me
with
come
the
on the
same
road,
foolishness,
I look for your
girl.
daughter.
Why you let me pick the final first? Kayla, just go on. Go on. Because as a little sister, me love and rate you. Everything me did have me
Man,
give it to you.
oh
So you
yeah.
come and come
Man,
deal
oh
with
yeah,
me,
flack,
girl.
look, I'm not for one.
Just go on, Kayla.
Me beat
Go
on that,
on.
you know.
And leave me alone.
Go on. Hey, yeah, no, I go be tired, yo. Tired.
People did that for long. I all
I know
day
this,
that
this.
cost me already.
Because
When I did
your
that,
daughter nasty
when
and you're
man did
not
that beat,
safe.
when man did that beat you up and I fling you out before you get a little piece of cut up place.
So,
When the man did that fling you out, I guess in the full yard to live.
you want
Full
to
yard
climb?
eat.
No.
Full yard me
Nice, my
clothe
girl.
you.
I never hear you that the little man yard. But the year yard, you look at my yard
It
right
don't
now.
matter, it's for me
It's
money.
matter.
I mean work for me money.
Girl, first of all, I want week alone me turning in your house for.
It don't matter,
Hey,
I'm treat
hey,
you like a
hey.
queen.
I know business, you know no queen, you saw. Your daughter too nasty, and you don't see it out in your eye.
How should not say that she clean up the place?
Where?
When last you even beard?
Girl, be here this morning.
You mean you put on
right?
clothes, wipe
No,
up?
no, first of all, I'm bed 2 times a day. I 5 motherfucking in the night, maybe 3 times. So I tell her that plain and check.
Kayla, just leave.
Me no
Leave,
argument
Kayla,
with
leave.
you.
Just leave.
I
Leave.
had daughter they walk and look for.
Don't look for me, Pitney. Leave him
When we
alone.
find out me a bust up her face.
Touch me, Pitney. That
You
time I
want
go
to
see
see?
devil
You
in
want
me.
to see? You want to see? Right. I'm out of order.
Alright.
I don't know if you made it look fast.
Oh, yeah, look.
Don't look at that nation out of the yard. Me not even pill thing with us on little shirt me use and whippings and he run gone. Me say,
Yeah.
you want to know say me done a yard, right? Me know me a idiot, right? No. I see people must chase me no me a idiot. Me tell you what really
Oh,
go on now.
calm me, I wonder. Okay, must be an idiot.
Me tell you what really go on now. So,
Oh, you know what?
well, little idiot me a look for. Top right is something me soon come to you as me a say me done a yard, right? Me no use chimney. My God do go piss a night and piss only one time. Piss before me lock my door. So I have to pull my door back and forth to don't come in there, right? One of them piss near him out of him and his mother. And me go to them to the mother say, you feel like if you do something before you left out of the yard. The mother say they do everything and they do not the one good time they come make they want to sweep out the house and put up in bed the day. They say, oh, me I walk her road. Come on the road now. She know say she not to go to Chimmy and me. Her mother said no and me and she say her mother. Come on the road and I see her mother on the road. They talk to one boy what I want. So some tell say mother black traffic. And the man say like fluffy woman. And the sister fluffy.
Yeah, come on, tell me that. Come on, tell me. Come on, hear more. Want to hear what's going on?
And when I see her, you know, when I see her, you say if you no manners.
Girl, have manners.
Me have manners to her. She knows she hear me mother pissing like me. She want to come to take out the steel piece.
Stop on your head back because she not no sense. Yeah, man, we talk for you.
Are you fit up in your head back?
You me talk to yourself. Listen to me. Me so come here. Me can't take it over. Me sick and tired of she and her mother, especially her mother. Her mother even walk and take every man I want.
No,
You see,
listen.
if they want the man, they may take them out, they make mother, they take them and no saying love, man.
Look at girl, nobody now chat to you. You chat too much. You chat too much.
I will God give you mouth for God give you mouth for talk.
God give you mouth to eat. You chat too much.
Not for eat alone for talk too.
You see me if I got you? When I feel like me just want to thump her now, but I don't know if I go on her front teeth them. Pick up you one more time. No, push the foot little bit with my back. So push up your face. You shouldn't move it. Me not laugh with you now. See me not joking with you. Me bigger than you.
Some of them say bigger than me.
What means if you have manners and respect.
But look here now. If I do you, that means I'm a mother. But you can't tell me to go take out human stay.
You take out your mama piece.
No, if I mean she not taking it out.
And your mama push you out, you take it out.
Me not taking it out.
I'm for mother. Go for herself and go look at job shape and rest of that shop to man.
Let me tell you where you go wrong. You tell them you put them in, you should have laid out the rules. You should have tell them to one wash your plate, one with the yard. One spread the bed, one do this, one do that.
See, I get a phone call.
You chat too much. Hello, good afternoon.
You go to cut the piece of the
I'm not taking it out, because me the walk. Me and you the walk out for my
What,
mother.
eh?
If you go shame me go shame him to come. I have to take out that.
Who are you going
I have to take it out.
Alright, give me 1 minute.
Yeah, yes, and the look what can you get from your big man.
You look like mix up like a mother, you know?
Where you
Your
know?
mother.
Are you make it from come mother in your mix up? Remember how love the people, man.
Cross Burger King.
It may say.
Me the size.
So you talk to me, Safa?
Ah, against Popeyes. King Kong. Go down a Burger King, man. Let's go right a Burger
girl.
King. Let's go.
Alright, Auntie Kayla. You know you're my G. So when walk
Ah.
down, what's your shame, girl? Door.
Yeah.
Look up me a rank, man.
Hmm?
Don't put your hand on me. Me bigger than you. What you do?
You
Anyway,
see me, I just such a good as the man come off his phone.
this is where you go wrong. I'm going to tell you already, you know. Sir. If I say you're going to live, me not tell you to put them out, but try give them a notice. That's the best way. You give them a 1 month notice, I want to.
Wait. Let's for house. You want to break down board house? Can't go nobody for no 1 month. He will drop down. Our mother big fat chubby woman in my house. Me bed soon in the spring.
Well, me don't know anymore. Anyway, look at girl if you have manners to your auntie.
Me have manners to she, but I see when my mother did them, my mother thinks I don't have no manners. I want my mother, you know. She knows
So
me
your
have
mother
manners.
fine.
She knows me have manners.
I'm gonna swear.
You try good one. You will learn manners.
Me too.
Yeah man, pump switch. Pump switch. And somebody away from me, I have no time for you.
Girl run
I
gone.
know if you talk to your pop.
Awa, you have lick your tight instead.
Try that no. Try that. Try no. Because punch in your big nose. Try. Try.
No, punch me. Punch me.
Sure. Sure.
Hello, lick him now.
This is all your mama want to live.
Who this?
This is all your mama want to live. And that's why the rice that
So
with
you
the
don't
water.
even know when me eat and you so they eat. You should
Watch ya.
choke. You should choke.
I want.
You
Yeah,
buy
but roadside a drink.
You tell we saying ganga look money if you get back on your feet. I right as I sit down and then banana cheese and DNG. And that get you back on your feet.
That's for your mother.
For you.
One ginger ball.
But me hear she say you say me piss in a piss spot and left in the house. Me don't piss in a no piss spot. If I know you or she. Cause you know me don't piss at night time or morning time. Wait till
Remember we
the
are talking. Remember good how we are
When
talking.
the backside down.
Tell you.
You know, the chatting on the rest of she had the up. Me tell her like she gonna shame me, not shame. She has start shame me. It's a worthless woman. You make that the rule, yo. Yo.
Me not really my mama and you can't come
Mama,
up my mother
come
no
on.
time.
Come here.
I'm telling you, I'm middle.
What's it?
Alright, come right there.
What issue? What you want?
Eh, what you
Me-
want?
You have to eat.
Me need to understand.
You put on food now, everything you put on in there, you know, cost me tell me some touch your things them.
But put on the house to cook food and show me know say you can't cook so properly because I don't know how. If you make the rice, I swim left the water.
So?
I not say work, I see you cook rice.
Drink it. A porridge, right? Add the glass cup with your good.
A rice porridge.
No, not say 2 hours you can't cook.
No do that. I me always cook. I me
where?
always cook. When I don't me are you. When I don't me are you, I she the wash for the rice.
What
Not
you
me.
want? You want to go
I let my kid of face say you idiot.
You tell me
You have
that.
your daughter out or so, you chat your way. And I told me not ready for her yet. Me no ring her for years.
Sit there.
Hey, Yawa, you're the daughter and she the mother. So you're an idiot. You look pick me. Big 23-year-old woman. Me then look 13-year-old daughter that shame me on road.
She can't share me for because
Me
I
not
know
13 me
better.
approach.
That's the talking man. I know you get for me nerves. You
I
make
ain't
your
gonna feel it down. You come up
you
and
make your
call
auntie
me with
believe.
sweet.
Say, you are rude me. You ever rule me yet?
No.
So
No,
how
we
all
are
of
not
a
come
sudden
up. That's
you have
how
so much
only
time?
we do a big bamboo tick.
How all of a sudden you have so much time when it comes to me?
Because that's what you tell me. Say me feel act like me don't know manners.
Listen to me.
So you
But
say,
you idiot.
and I'm with
You're
me.
an idiot. You think me I tell you that? You think no.
You will do it. You want me
Hello.
life.
Me
You
no
want
run
me life so bad.
Listen to me. Me
My life is so bad and you still want me
tell you
life.
this. You see the man we a chat to? Me I know there. But me and me eye pan him. Me want him.
Say the
Right?
man want you home, you are going to get him, Kayla.
And that's why me not like you.
Argument.
Because she like this body here. Thick body with big breasts. I mean not everybody a maga slim body me have.
And that's why if you just leave him alone.
I eat me I do but me still that's why me was not like you. Yeah, stop when me forget you black my
Oh, me
food.
be black your food if you man never have eye fear from the first place. Stop blaming me for your downfall. And my fault I can't get a proper man.
If you never come in on the lane, we don't get a proper man.
Wait, if he never want you without
No.
me.
If
And
he
when me
never
come
say-
in want me.
Listen to me. Any
He
old
never want you.
mark me word, my girl. Any old yarn name, God damn me, them murder you.
Well, we kick off something already over
Anything
the
you
phone,
kick
so
out, I go and kick it back off with you.
you're lucky. Me
You
still
go
go to
and
your place
go-
now.
Hurry up and come out, girl. Hurry up and come out.
Mhm.
Me and wait for you to come out. Me can't take you now. Me can't take you. Yo. Me
Let's
don't
go
come out.
to your
Come out
place.
tonight.
Me still come out, man.
Come out tonight.
And not tonight, I purpose
No say
the things.
soon. Come now. Come
Why you
out
can't
now.
run me out because most I board pan that and me put it there.
Where? You
I
wish
mean,
you
I can't go on down.
You wish you put board pan house.
Come go down.
Good on where?
Go on down.
Yes, I go on like you have place down there. You have place there?
If me want to take you back from me, I have every receipt, every board. Pan that.
Baby love, you don't have build my house?
I
Good, got hurt by my horse.
Good whisper that I
My
barely can
food
get
them. Listen to me. You see, my boy, my girl.
Kayla,
You know
go on my
hard.
business.
You know hard me where my body for build my little one place.
Kayla, what
My girl.
about your business?
You come, you don't know where you come from.
You know my fault make he have this big house between his foot and he can't keep a man and he just a bada bing. Let me alone, man. Chop. Say that you know, man. Jesus. Sir.
Have you a car?
Yes, sir.
You don't know? Oh, sorry. Come on. What's your name? Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. But me don't know if you do this, sir. But me just a ask. You understand? Me and sister, me boyfriend, my baby father kick me out. You understand? And from me come move in with my sister, she dey deal with me away. She don't want me touch nothing. She dey tell me how much me pissing at this and all type of things.
You don't pick me?
Yeah, me have one daughter. I mean, my daughter moved.
Where's your son now?
Kayla.
Slim Kayla?
Yes, Slim Kayla. Slim Loudmouth Kayla.
Are your sister?
Yes, sir. Anyways, me
So are you my ungrateful too?
I really want.
But anyway, if you help clean up the place,
How we want
you
clean?
can't leave the pressure on your sister because without your sister you could have dealt with
This me not like, you know, me not like when people tell me what me know and what me I do. I know she they do nothing at the yard.
Oh.
And me and my daughter. As man
So she
before
come
cock
on
take off, before cock take off the drawers.
So-
And me and my daughter clean up the place. She peep in our piss pot and I tell me say me fit take out it.
So she pissing at
She
people.
peep in then I tell me fit take
I
out
tell
it.
you big
Me
woman
I
to
go
take
about
out
my
it.
business, she tell me say me
Why
fit
you
take
never
out.
give her if you drink? Why you never try now one champagne bottle put in the fridge? If I'm here, you go down, they go put in one champagne bottle and cork up your back and make you drink it. I say you do people when they know how empty them problem.
Me love my sister. That is sometimes
Love!
I just want-
Love! You know when love put people? 6'6".
I
Hospital.
start feeling for a while, me I tell you. But sir, I know that me stop the war. I know it for money.
You know it's a man.
No, because she cook and she say me not to touch her food and something. So me
Your
just
sister couldn't so wicked.
let me I tell you, I something what she do every day.
You cook. And she don't let
Me cook,
you cook.
me,
And you can't eat none.
and me can't touch the food.
Yeah, you get them, man.
And I eat that
Yeah,
in
you
her
get.
house
I
today.
would have turned over the pot. I would have turned
Me
it
not like
over.
problems, so me just try my best to avoid it. You know me, how me can't avoid it, me avoid it. But what me I beg you is, if you could have give me at least $500, and me could have used buy food to eat. Cause I'm hungry.
You
I'm
know-
very hungry. No, no, your friend Adam just said me I ask. He said yes or no. No, me
You couldn't
understand.
ask 1, 2 bills. Hmm? I said, uno young
If
girl
I two
stay.
bills I have, me understand.
I said, uno young girl stay. Uno turn up a corner and watch everybody will pass and beg them want 5
So
bills.
it's either you give me or
When
not
you
give me.
done
It's
beg.
fine, it's fine, it's fine. If you don't want to give me, no give me. It's fine because me no see sense why I be so me just simply ask you something. And it's like I bring you one, bring me down. I don't ask people for things. I understand me have to go push myself. Go do that.
Me never see you, me just a know you. But me I try show you example. You turn up yourself, I beg one $500 to buy something to eat. You're going to Mr. Chin Chap go beg him a work.
Me walk the entire place I look work already. Me can't get any. Where me forget work from? Tiffy? A Tiffy and me Tiffy and job? How me forget a job if no job no debo? Everywhere me turn, my sister dey back at me. A dirty girl, he piss in a pot. A dirty girl, he piss in a pot every day. How people are gonna hire somebody like me when they might hear them sitting there?
When he says so, you say, well, at least me have look up pride to pissing or something. Me not piss my bed, I'm in a pissy ground.
So you give me $500? May I beg you, please. Me hungry.
No like to keep hungry still. So I'm trying to know. Alright. You can go buy yourself a bun and cheese and what you want to buy.
Alright, thanks. Thank you.
No,
so
no,
much.
no, thank me, thank God. Never you thank a person will give you the money, because I know the person give you the money. My teacher something. Yes, when you get money from somebody, you thank the Almighty. You don't thank the person. Thank the Almighty first, and then you can thank him after if you want to thank him.
Alright,
But you have to thank God.
Thank you,
because
Father
God touched me for you.
Yeah, thank you, Father God.
Because if the devil did it on me, you want to get it. You understand? One feed your belly now.
Alright, thank you.
And come off the road, you come back and start.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Look like you're new in my place, though.
Yeah, kind of new.
Oh, may I beg you to call off your phone?
Let me open it.
You know something like the phone I do? Can't give me it.
No, I want to have.
I want to have, but I say I want it. I want it.
What can you buy for how you want it?
So who buy it? No, you just ask me if you come to say come and put my phone.
Wow.
Me dey take it. So, you see if I want it, come find me. Me dey take it. Me take this. Me want it, me like it. All things say crack up, mother buy one screen for you know. And not even iPhone.
How you do that when I would get one?
You know say I want to call me the beggy girl. She said she give me a call. So I tell her so I like her phone and things.
Give it back now. How she tell you?
I say phone.
She want my phone.
You want her phone? Yeah, me tell her some more that take her phone because her phone look nice.
No.
All things say crack up.
What she tell you to you? No, she just tell me she want a call and give her a call. She tell me say my phone look nice and she want it. And she want to take it? Yeah. Like she want TV?
Not TV.
She want TV? I know myself. I know your mother. My mother never trained with me not thief.
Oi. I what happened so?
What me so?
What happened?
You up here to the boss of the girl for your phone and I want thief. And you never put my thief in the
You
girl
try to
phone.
take her phone? Come and tell her, me ask the girl for your call for call you. So the girl give me a call and I say, girl, me like your phone, mother take it. Me never
mother what?
take
You
it.
try to take your phone from him?
Me did take it?
Asking for your call.
Okay.
I'm giving him what I say my phone nice and I want it.
Not
No
want
go
if you
so.
take it.
I lie, man.
Not
Me
one.
me but not go so.
Me
Not
daughter
one
no
if you
take
see
you believe her?
me daughter no take
You
nothing
believe
from
her?
people.
You believe her?
Watch
Wave
out
me
with
the
that thing, you know.
I will wave it cross up face and knock head in your head. Me not run pretty picnic come good on that.
Stop, pick me down. Stop, pick me down.
How you do? Good on. Yard. Yard. If you good on. Sorry, you little girl. Sorry. Go on up back. I'm thief now, Lena. Hey, me a when me come down on the farm road a thief. What could I cast this? Oh God, what going?
Me there.
I'll be jamming come to tell you.
Wow.
Me say one man pay for me ear, me don't know who.
Pay for it.
Yeah,
Oh, it
for me to me ear.
must be a good summertime.
Most but want it for myself.
Why?
Because all the I'm gonna eat so you just woman call me and say me for coming quick emergency. So I go down there, I'm a ear, she a go do. So I pay for do me ear. So all the woman I say is the person left one message. Your future brother-in-law.
This
So I say which future brother-in-law that me want for the man I always see her with.
can be
Talk.
maybe 20%, you know. Can be 10%, can be 5%. So what wrong with it? You don't want a future brother-in-law?
No one has so much money.
Oh?
No one has so much money.
So you know why your sister no money, man?
No money, man. A broke pocket man she fi have.
So oh, you want to block your sister traffic and your sister older than you. Your sister have a picnic already before. So why sense?
Listen to me. You see, if I can have what me want, she can have what she want.
No.
That's how it go work.
No, and that's a life go.
Yes. Example. So me want you and you don't want me. Who want me now? Get me now, cause you never want me. And I you me did want.
That's where you go wrong.
Oh.
That's where you go wrong. So if you are storing one mango and the mango hard to click down and you see one little riper one, you're not trying to find little riper one.
No.
You are
And the
going
one
for
that me did want. Big one me did want.
No, and that's a life goal.
I saw it go off work now.
In life, you have to appreciate what you get. You see, if your sister get coffee and you get black sugar, you thank God.
Thank God for black sugar and she get coffee.
Yeah.
Why she get the coffee? Why couldn't me get the coffee and she get the black
No,
sugar?
may I show you. Alright, me show you another example then. Carly say, Uno still in our age group, right?
Right.
And your mother buy her a bicycle and buy you a dolly.
Why mom ever give she dolly and give me the bicycle?
No, because she older.
All I wear.
It's just like buying you a car and buy she a truck. You understand what I'm going on? So you have to just appreciate our life, because you can't just think for bad mind your sister, because you don't know how you go in at the end of the day.
Me no busy go forever bad mind her. I don't like her. I don't like the girl. Me smoke can't stand her. Me hate her.
But you come
You
from
cut me right and find no blood.
you come from the same home, all the thing, she bigger and fat, you younger and slim. You can't grudge your sister. You're more shapeable more than your sister. Much less you grudge your sister.
I'm busy go forever grudge her. She'll take one of them and them.
No, your time not come yet.
I was so when my time I come. I when it will come.
When you're ready, God.
I'm ready now.
No,
And God needs to say me ready.
no, I'm not
God they
saying
gonna come.
no, I'm not
God they
saying.
gonna send the people them when it's too late.
We can tell you something.
Then tell me give up.
Can I tell you something?
Tell me anything and tell me.
I know what you pray for first, I go come. Sometimes God sends something in the way. If you see if you can manage that, the obstacle there. If you see if you can manage that, what you pray for, God now go get.
But me I pray all the days of my life and all now we now come true. I'm gonna if me can manage it. And
What you pray for all the day in life?
Me I pray for find a money man.
Okay,
Me I pray
that's
for
ever right.
find someone to love me.
That's-
And every time I she get the man them. Me see that man them, me pray some more that man there. And she get the man.
That's how it goes. You are beg God the money, man. You think God like that?
I'm gonna do that broke pocket man. Broke pocket man now wear again. You know wear again. Me tap look broke pocket man now. If you don't have no money, don't look me. I'm sorry. And if you look me, don't fall for me because I hurt you go get. You still love dead and gone.
This is where the young girl get it wrong now.
Where we get it wrong?
You can't say you look for your money, man, because in life, you see, you don't know where man getting money.
Busy where you want to get it from? And as you must spend it. You lucky.
So-
you don't want that money, woman. For man, you take care of you. And build you a nice house.
Listen, man. Everybody would have want to find somebody with a money person, but that's how we go wrong. I sit down and I study in my church and I understand the Bible. You know. You young, you don't understand. When you run down vanity, you go dead left feet, or it go vanish from you. It's just like God and the devil. When God give you things, He give forever. Until you mess up yourself. Anytime you lose, nothing, God take you back from you. Know.
How?
And you make the devil take it from you.
So me an idiot. If me know the devil that go take him, would I make the devil take it? Me can't see the devil to stop him.
You know, learn. Let me finish what I say. When you ask God for something, He give forever. Right? When you ask the devil for things, me not going to say, nah, I'm gain. But with how long? And it come with consequence.
But I not ask you for nothing. I ask God for it.
No. God don't give people a money man like that. God give you a man for you turn the man into a money man.
Oh, me turn the man a money man and me broke.
When you work towards the relationship, once happiness in a relationship, everything equal.
No, I don't say that word. Because you see now, when me sit down with a broke pocket man, I help motivate him to reach for a higher level. And when he reach for a higher level, then now him get up and go left me. What me I go do? What God I go tell me say then? What am I tell me say? If I find a money man, get a money man I know.
Alright, let me put on my God one side then. Since I just said, if you find a broke pocket man, so let me
Right.
put God one side and call over the devil now. If you take up a broke pocket and motivate him
Yes.
and he get rich
Right.
and left you,
Right.
you make sure you have him for insurance, so send man go kill it.
Now you're talking.
Sorry, analyze him.
Yes.
So, when I do that, they say you don't have a fret.
But
But
I have no money. Oh, that part the word. Suppose we got jail. We know I got jail. I'm too young for that.
yeah, one more, because we actually have to teach you and learn.
Can you teach me foolishness?
Just pray to God for a better
No,
life.
man, you stop prayer. Anything happen, you just happen. Stop prayer. It didn't work. I said, I she get to all I man them. I she wanna get to all I man them.
Well, something wrong with it then.
What's wrong with me? What me I do wrong?
Maybe you not the grip.
Maybe your mouth don't got the grip.
What again? Your face in the backside. Come back over here. Right.
Ray, I say look nice, sis.
Yeah, thanks.
Tell me, can I go and say who they here?
Maybe my old me here. Let off me here, no man. Can't touch it up.
Yeah, and that me not like with you no. Every time you hear they go on extra. Your hair look good too.
Thank you.
How do it?
My hairdresser.
Say you did say no money.
After me, I'm going to pay for the here.
How they here?
Are you going to ask that?
What?
Are you going to ask that you have something to hide from me? Which brother-in-law me have? Because I only siblings me have. So man, which brother-in-law me have?
Me nah no man. Me not just come out of a relationship with my baby father. With this money I talk about.
So to me, I get a phone call to come down the hairdresser shop. When I go down there, all I hear is, Mama, do your ear. I get paid for your ear. So I say, oh, pay you. He said the only message is your future brother-in-law. How which future you have with one rich man? He not gonna work, you know.
Me no know who you talk about. Me
You
not
well
know
I
rich
know.
man. Me not
You
know
well I
rich
know.
man.
More now which one? I didn't go black news. I him?
Kayla, me nah no rich man. Me nah no man. Me nah nobody. Me no do nothing with nobody. So we are talk about.
No man, because me not a brother-in-law, you know. You wouldn't have a brother-in-law is if you there with somebody. Me not no brother. I mean another sister. You're the only big one.
Me nah nobody. So me no know where.
So all people pay for them here.
Where
No, who pay for them
cut
here.
that conversation. Because every time that you come with. Me and you
Yeah,
can't
I
have a
think
peace.
from me.
No,
I'm gonna go
man.
find out. And all you don't tell me, I'm gonna go find out. When I find out, I go and sorry for you because I go see no, you don't deserve to have no money, man.
Yeah.
Broke pocket man if you have.
Oh, so me alone for a broke pocket man.
Right. If you have the money,
But
man.
me
then.
not have nobody right now, Kayla.
So how
we
the
are
person,
talk
how the person
about-
talk about future?
Maybe if it's a future husband, I make mistake and say future brother-in-law. Maybe at that. Probably I'm me if you go do me here.
Where? Oh. And you never do your ear. Wait till you sleep. But cut out everything. Me say I cut from the middle come down.
Remember say fear do. No
So
bother
what?
with it, 'cause me we cut you out.
No, you're not so brave, what I think.
Well, anyways,
I'm
you
going to sleep with one year up in.
Kayla,
What your
stop
problem?
quarreling with me. Me not
Me
no
not
money
quarrel with
man.
you, man.
Me not no money man.
If I say
Where
so.
you dey come from on this? Who you have on this?
Me not about the road, I can't walk out and lane them.
Kayla, go on your yard. Right now, every day you come, I just me alone you see if you argue with. Go on your yard.
Where you go?
About my business.
You don't really busy about your business, still.
You ask me about money man.
And money, I will check.
Kayla, me no know which money I talk about.
So all the man pay for do me here, like, you don't think about that?
Are you in like on me? Are
No,
you?
man, he don't like me. He say, future brother-in-law. If he needs a future husband now, all that mean he like, but he's a future brother-in-law. Brother-in-law mean to say, are you and him in a things, not me.
Future brother. Me no know where I talk.
But know yourself.
Me no know
Me
where.
dey watch you. Don't
Yes,
worry.
yeah, later. Me.
I shall find out.
But too bad, they still look good though, Marga like.
Where my marker is?
Where you come from? Where you come from?
Come on, grandmother. Grandmother come from.
So my daughter, you left her with him money.
Money that a keeper. And me push her out, and you push out this person for 3 days. Is a worthless mother.
So you feel like I will pick me and then go and tell me say you don't know his party.
Well, me live with a grandmother. Live with a... Come on, name out the place, and me can't feed her. She don't know manners.
I did hear
I
right.
do want to nasty.
Nasty spot that we take care of our house, Kayla.
Every time you get up at my time and you put your big head out and say, and we take care of place, like you want to name it here. Listen to me.
Yes, and we take care of Kayla place. So me come here, Kayla, and take up one broom, and me alone do it. Yes, see it there.
Listen to me, girl.
See it there. All you do is put on fresh clothes and not be a left here gone about you, but you gotta look money, man.
Money man.
Yes,
Money man, Mr. Megan, look.
yes.
And that's why I bust up your daughter face this man and left her than her grandmother. Cause you not have manners and she not have none.
I have to joke you a make.
It's not a joke thing.
I have to joke you a
It's
make.
not a joke thing.
Yeah, right, you know.
You know what matter of fact gonna argument because today I come to my place. Now we're gonna do one could swap in exchange.
Exchange
You
now.
get a good man who is suitable and you have one house you can go for your daughter back when you're ready and put her up. You see the man have veranda. It kind of better than my house. I have a veranda, I have a veranda. Give me the money man and me get a good man.
Kayla, me no have no money, man.
Me no business come.
Yo.
Give me the money man and you get a good man.
But me no want no man.
You need a man, you don't have a place to go where you go stay now.
Yeah.
Yeah, where?
Right there, so.
You must be mad. Because you have money, you not take your money, man, make use. You don't have a place.
Me no have no money, man, Kayla.
You have a money, man. Hello, listen to me. Listen to me. God no have the power there to come down here, so. And come do me here. You have anything about me, not think that's so. Me think that did for
Kayla,
me.
me no have no money, man. That tell me say me have money,
The
man.
man say, future, brother-in-law.
Serious, the man where
I
you say,
do,
because
I
me
do,
want,
man.
me don't mind come out to your place now. So the man where you say you go set me up, come on, go on.
Yes,
lead
you
the
always want to know where I'm going to the lead. I'm going to show you where I'm going to
way. Lead the way. No, you lead it. Me don't know where me I go. Lead
Jesus,
it. Lead the way.
Push me first up your face, you know. Come on. Wait there now. Let me talk to you first now. You don't go over there. You must smile and grin off your teeth. See your teeth them white and pretty.
Kayla, go
Steal
on,
them off.
please.
Go on. Want me to give me the money, man, you know. Come.
And me I tell you, say,
Oh, why you
me
put
have
that
money,
place?
and they still tell me, say, me
I'm
have
open
money,
in
man.
there. Hello.
Yeah, you go get
I don't say
money,
nothing.
man. Wait
I
for
don't say
him.
nothing about him either or him look.
Yeah, man, you go wait for money, man. Let's
You
see
know,
money, man.
you know, look 200 in about you know, if you say that to you, my ear.
Say, I give me
My
money.
big friend.
Oh,
yeah, go.
Good evening.
Yeah, bring her, come pay them with her.
Oh, me know I you me there talk to the road, man. You think I did that thick girl, no, no, Sashi. I joke, no, say yes, it's fine.
Anyways,
Mm.
give me the money, man, now, come and get a good man.
You gone back on this money man argument? You gone back on
She
this
come,
money?
excuse me, good evening. Because
Evening.
you have the same, I will give me man to exchange the next man.
Mhm.
Right?
Mhm.
She come home.
Uh-huh.
Me see her on the road with her hair though. So me ask her, who do her hair? She say, I want man. Say that boy, assume my
Oh,
brother-in-law.
oh,
Huh? Now what
Same
about
assume my
that?
brother-in-law, all type of something. And I'm like, what she a talk about? Because I don't know of the person we're doing here.
oh my God,
You understand?
She have a big suitcase to come up, I can't go help her with it.
Yeah, you know.
Money, man.
Oh.
Me don't have no
Listen to me.
man.
You have the money, man. The woman said future brother-in-law. This is the future now. Give me the money, man, and take the broke pocket, man, and one.
Hello, sir. Sir. Kayla delusional,
So
yeah?
delusional.
I do not have no farm of money, man. Me don't know who do I hear. Me
Alright
myself
then.
last.
You know what? Go on in.
No, listen,
Find a
listen,
yard.
listen.
Me can give a good man, broke pocket man, and you don't want him. This is a man have a night so can put up you. The man that gonna love and care for you, and you don't want the broke pocket man. Hello, you see
I
what
just
you
gentleman they bring
Yes,
it to
me want the money man, so you can take the broke pocket
Sir.
man that me want.
Sir, money mind to move out the house. Me can't stay here. Are you
No, you can't stay if me not get the money man. Money
Even if
man.
I have a parent.
So, that's all of the young girl interested in that
Me
money
say me
man.
can't bother with her. From me come, she like keep on tell me say me can't get
Bust
no man
down.
with her money. And he say me a suffer. And he my talk all type of stuff. I mean not after no money man, me just after somebody who would have willing for me and him grow. That's all me want out of life. Me not interested in no millions. You understand? Me and my daughter me want to just grow with a man who will play a father role and then something. This girl keep on tell me say me a money man. And I don't know the man we talk about. Me don't know. I don't know what I talk about. God no. That stressed me out now.
You see, you know live good with your family. You can stay here, yeah? We don't have a problem.
Thank
No,
you.
she can't stay here.
No, you
No.
can't apply. She's a free big woman.
She's a free big woman, but she's not a free man.
Why means not a free man?
She not give me pay done. She not give me the money man, so she can get the broke pocket man. Go on here.
And I'm here
Yeah.
got a pocket man. You know my background?
Me don't know your background, me know your front ground.
Sir,
Oh.
sir, please do. You know me no mind. Me can stay here.
No! Remember say, what the heck you lick me with the something?
Me can stay here, right?
So that's how you hit me.
Yes.
Me can stay here, right?
Yeah, you can stay here.
Alright, me I go get me
My
stuff
girl,
then.
go on now. But you want it. Me no want you.
I don't want the one. Me tired of you.
She nasty.
People can change.
Not tired of me. Come on, come back down.
No, me a stay yes so. Yes so me a stay.
Listen me.
You want to get rid of me, you
People
get rid
can
of me.
change.
People cannot change, people will never change.
You want to get rid of me, you get
Oh.
rid of me. You
So-
get rid of me now. Thank God. Excuse
You-
me, sir. I'm going to sit down.
Why am I sitting up in the van? I'm still talking.
Yeah.
I'm not busy, all the better see me.
Me like your sister for a long time. I'm a prayer. From the very first day I see her in that area. Me a
Yeah,
prayer.
prayer.
Right.
Right.
And you know, it's like, you know, like your own flesh and blood.
None tall.
Me don't like her.
What she do?
Everything I'm forget, she's black it.
Alright. Since I just everything where you get, she black it. Oh, she not black it hairstyle.
Because she never did in the man present at the time.
So that's why she not black it. You see, you're more than a bloody sister. You're wicked.
Oh, wicked.
You're wicked.
Oh, wicked.
Your heart.
And this man, me bust up her daughter face. And left her and her grandmother. Me no wicked. A good something me I do.
Your heart cool, you know?
For her cool.
You
I know, I feel her supposed to stay cool like ice.
You have sympathy.
One name so.
You have dignity and pride.
One name so.
Jesus.
You see that yourself? When you see that time, me no see that.
When you sleep down there, under the condition here.
Me not sleep most night. Me tell her how to do. Me sit down by one piece of wood.
I'm lock my door because I send her out
Can't
there.
take it no more.
You know, if you good daughter, your own flesh and blood do not come from it. I see your mama.
Same ma, same pa.
Here there. Here there. Why you really? Give me one good reason why you hate your sister.
It's like you blind, you know, me jealous of her. Everything what she have, I want me did want. I want things she have, I me never want no. No matter two things. Cause like she wants you, I me no want you. And she have a daughter, I me never want a daughter.
So hold on.
But this is the man there what she get. The opportunity, you see how much opportunities a little girl I get? How much opportunities a girl I get? And she just waste it.
You know the funny thing about it? You see the same man when I talk about that I'm a baby father, you know. And him when I talk about, you know.
What? She never too young.
She is crazy. She said she did want me baby father,
At a young
that he
tender
didn't
age.
know him none tall. You understand me? He said he did want him. Because he see the situation that I was in. Me did eat and then look something there. But at the same time I was unhappy. I barely me getting at the house there. That man tapping at me.
That's the reason the man love you. You're not a sense, you know.
Me bad and him sitting there and that she did want.
Listen to me. So let me tell you how a man prove their love to a woman. Him beat you, the man a beat you, the man don't want you.
Shut your mouth.
Hey,
And to them, you know, you
Shut your
jacket.
mouth.
why you that?
Your jacket.
What jacket?
Hello.
I had the
Zip
biggest
it.
jacket.
Zip
Hello,
it.
listen to me. When a man love you, a man will beat you. Listen to me.
Zip
me can't,
it.
you know, me can't have my man, you know.
No, zip it.
Zip what?
Let me tell you
Zoop.
something.
What?
Listen good. You see, when a man beat a woman, he don't love the woman.
A man no destroy nothing when they love. And if him a destroy you, he no love you.
He not destroy me.
Look on this good. I'm going to teach you something. I love my phone, right?
Right.
Right now in the pan charge. You think I would have mashed it up? I love my
Yeah,
mother
phone.
so much. You think I would have beat my mother?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I suppose I beat him. I want to talk
Me?
This is a
Listen to me. I'm still make care for me on this plane and
Something wrong with
straight.
that man. I tell her.
You see me have a man? If he can beat me 1 and 2 times, I don't want him. I'm sorry, I don't want a softy man. If he's soft, I be a bunny, I go
So
get.
beating and love for you.
No.
See me
Yes.
baby father free.
No,
Go and
no,
to him.
no.
No, I don't want that. I hear use and
No,
left.
let me give you one lesson.
Which lesson?
One lesson. You have a good on you have past the cemetery.
Right.
How much woman, female, grave vested down there?
No, Wally.
A good.
What's happening?
Learn something.
Learn where.
Most of them a man put them.
Me don't talk look money man, I look bad man then. Bad man, me want. Bad man, me say.
Can
Please
I
excuse
go on?
me,
The
Ann.
super vehicles then. Go on.
Excuse me.
Just go on. Just
Because
put them out.
me take you as a little friend. If you try to groom you.
And you teach me this and you tell me say me don't fit there with no money man.
Right.
So a bad man, me say then, what the problem?
Me never tell us if you take up a bad man.
If I no money man, a which man?
Take up a good, decent young man we are striving a
A
life.
good decent young one is a bad man.
We beat you. Abuse you.
Right.
Talk to you bad.
Want
Call
to
you
stop
girl
my
and
body.
them something there.
What if you swallow up my body?
Okay.
One at a time.
One killer. Me just put
Check
the
me
clothes
tomorrow,
them
check
on.
me
Me
tomorrow.
glad
No,
you
me
come.
not check your man, I left me out Lena. Me tell that this a Lena right
I
now.
have something important to say to you tomorrow.
Me not come back.
How
Me
will
glad me daughter go down and just put on my clothes then, please. Me come collect.
How will you don't shock you?
But don't shock me.
I have something to tell you
You
tonight.
can't shock me. After the lightning.
Go on, Kayla. So you know no head.
I'm piano man.
Happy my
Anyway,
sister that.
right, take a walk on the road. You can go in.
Alright, thanks.
Alright, later, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Come girl, where man they know?
Who's man?
Where come you where for then?
Send this to my fiancé, me call him tell him about.
What fiancé? Oh, wait, fiancé.
Get us to my man right here, so.
And I said just so old today. They might go a poor, but I remember.
Just all wear. Be this all.
No.
I will never put on that. No man, nobody can put on that. You idiot.
This is the real African queen. Sit down.
Right.
Who's African
elegant.
queen?
Sit. She's the African queen.
Right.
African fool queen. You have a husband, your husband can wear nice clothes.
Hello.
You don't wear tag, I time for you
No.
wear brand.
Me try to make you love your sister.
Look what I wear.
Me try every single.
So, you there? So you,
Yes.
you want to get married?
Of
Yeah.
course.
So when you married me?
Right too.
So make sure you say, she never come block my trophy.
You
What?
see it? You see it?
You know, see no one broke man?
She said me give money, man. I don't know him, man. They
You
know
can't
him,
broke
this
up
one bad, man.
plan to go make big wedding.
Yeah. You
Well,
never
well,
say him broke, him poor, him hungry. No, that's
No,
what they say.
I'm-
I say here no do good and him something like that. So you
No,
did that
no.
tell me?
No,
No,
but tell
no,
us say
no,
head
no.
don't look 200 enough for 2 this thing, cause head don't look 200, so you don't
See?
say nothing about it.
You see? You did that disrespect you, man.
No! Because I know if she go want to come over here.
You know that I pay for you, you say.
What she say?
I mean, pay for it.
What?
Just because why you love your sister and respect your sister.
What?
Yeah, me pay for it.
What? You know, I'm paying for nothing to make him fool you.
So make it, I know, you just tell me that.
No, because me don't want nobody love me for my things.
But me not love of your things.
You never know if me have nothing.
Exactly.
Exactly, Boba.
Oh, hello. Listen to me.
What's your issue,
Go on,
Kayla?
go on.
What's your problem, Kayla?
But me tell her say, me want the money man. But me realize say, I mean carry to the money man, I like the money man is my friend. So now me want back my friend now.
No,
No.
you're too young.
No! This don't right. Age is just a number. It don't matter.
Huh? Hello.
Say no longer want the boy where you just did.
Me don't want that man there.
No, him did
Hello.
not say money man.
Me don't ever say my money man, me say me don't want him.
Relax yourself, you know. Because your sister cheat her bad. You slap her pitney. Me don't want no woman to beat pitney.
Dealing with that a
Me
bad.
don't beat my mother daughter.
And you say two things you don't want, right? You remember? You don't want no daughter.
Mm-hmm.
And why next thing you say no you want? You don't want no daughter and you don't want no broke man.
Right.
Right.
He said they want you. To
Right.
be specific. You know,
Right.
want you.
But you're not broke.
That no say.
It's you're not getting me now.
He's still broke.
Right now, our flight we have a plan to book to go to Africa. We're going to spend 3 months over there. Then we'll go.
I live away.
You here.
Excuse me. You know say life. I always want you, you know. Say from a look up at me know that me I say to him tell us enter the opportunity. Don't make hear about the opportunity. The opportunity will never come to be like.
And who are going to stop that?
Me get about opportunity they can not gonna know. Hey! I oh yeah. We are listen to me baby girl. A couple things I'm go on in the yard.
I'm not leaving from my husband's house.
Which husband?
Soon to be.
Soon to be?
Yeah.
No, I'm my man.
She crazy? You the Lulu or something?
The mad post piece.
Mad pussy.
Yeah.
You lost because you thought in your head say he was a broke, poor, washed down person.
Mm-hmm.
And it turned around it's not.
This house is not really mine.
Yeah.
No. It's just a friend house that I always sitting down out here, sir.
Why you size up to Michaela?
I don't go inside.
Something yeah.
Well, every
Something
day.
like what, Kayla?
Me gonna do.
No size
Me
up to
go
me.
accept my wishes.
Yeah, you have to. There's
Yeah,
no
me tell her.
question.
You see me now? Me gonna stop me wicked. It's a nice day there, this way go for things I read that God just coming on my head. That's all along was the devil, but I got them head now.
Right.
So, yeah, come good on. Let me, let me see.
No.
Let me know.
See what?
I'm gonna see it, I want that.
No, I ain't pearls. Them ain't get
Come
from
here, let me see it now. A pearl tonight? Them expensive?
Huh?
Them expensive.
No, it's just marble. And
It's just marble.
The owner running it.
Just so some marble.
Yeah.
So. You know, you don't got no African, no foreign, no way. Right. Think you're gonna left me here? When the man wake up, he man gonna think that him kill you. Never didn't know say rich, they didn't know say rich, but I take him.